I mean, eclipses happen all the time, all over the world.
Yes.
Every part of the world can experience an eclipse, even the North and South Poles.
Yep.
But the chance of one happening in your area is 1 in every 378 years.
Wow.
So here we are.
There you go.
And that
Yep.
totality about to begin there, and then
Yes.
Eli will take the filter off.
With
there
the
you go.
real oh, there we go.
There you go.
Awesome. Good job, Eli.
They call that the diamond ring right
yes.
there.
Yeah.
Stacey Abrams says she wants every Georgian to feel as though their voice and their vote matters. You talked about expanding the voter rolls, making voting more accessible. So how do you do that and not have a problem with potential fraud?
Georgia, the United States, does not have a voter fraud problem.
Could anyone walk into First Madison and get the same loan that you got with your credit worthiness?
Campaign story. You're not Dale Russell.
I don't pretend to be Dale.
Russ, you can go walk in that bank. If you got a good deal, they'll talk to you about doing it. Absolutely, they would.
Fair enough. That's all I'm interested in hearing. Happy birthday to your daughter.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
But the Secretary of State's office is in charge of occupational professional licensing. There's over 130 different licenses and 40 different boards.
We're 24 stories above the city of Atlanta. The star of the show on Sunday right behind us, Mercedes-Benz Stadium, all illuminated and ready to go. Our city dresses up pretty well.
I'm still curious whether they're going to keep it closed or open.
Keely Ringo, 79 yards to the house to seal the deal.
I cannot get tired of watching that play over and over and over again. Welcome to our Fox 5 News special.
Lydia Villa Komaroff discovered science when she was about 9, growing up in a big Mexican family in Santa Fe, New Mexico.
I'm not sure I knew what a scientist was, but it was something that intrigued me.
Her parents were the first in their families to go to college. Her dad, the first to graduate from high school.
I don't ever remember them sitting down and saying, you will go to college, but it permeated everything we did.
If you've had a hard time filling your Adderall prescription, you're not alone. Earlier this year, the National Community Pharmacists Association reported 97% of independent pharmacy owners were experiencing shortages of Adderall. And Dr. Subrat Bhargave of the Center for Family Psychiatry in Tyrone says many of his patients with ADHD are feeling the shortage too.
Well, there's at least 2 big factors.
Tonight, on the final eve of summer, we bring you a 7A matchup that could turn into a barn burner. 2nd and 2 for the Eagles on their opening drive. High snap handled by Nickel, hand off to the right side to Lester, and he'll easily glide into the end zone for 6. It's the North Gwinnett Bulldogs and the number 5 Parkview Panthers in the Big Orange Jungle. It's 1st down and 10.
Com Center, this is helicopter Children's 1, flight plan 2 grading. We've got 5 souls on board.
Liftoff is smooth, and within seconds, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta's new helicopter, the first of its kind in the world, is airborne. And to Nancy Constable and the critical care transport team here, this aircraft, known as Children's Air, feels like a dream taking flight.
It's been many years in the making, lots of planning.
The helicopter, known as an EC-145E, is basically a flying pediatric intensive care unit built to transport Georgia's most critically ill and injured children and their parents.